Ayan. Sorry, young women. Ngayon ko lang mababasa yung mga sulat ninyo. Ito. And ang uunahin ko ay Charan! From Charlene. Okay, here you go. Dear Ate Liz, I may not know you longer compared to the other youth in the ward, but I want to express how thankful I am to have a leader like you. I am very thankful that we shared different memories with each other we can all cherish. Funny, chit-chats, advices, or during teaching in Sunday class. All of those are examples who always give congrats and good luck with your next journey in life, which you'll take after leaving Antipolo. But remember, if you don't enjoy your life in the place you're moving in, just remember that we are always here waiting you back home, and it would be a pleasure to have you anytime in the ward. Thank you for everything you've done for us. Because of you, we had a great and happy relationship with our young women. But I think it's time that you also feel and receive that eternal happiness. So Ate Liz, we'll see you again. We don't know when or where, but always remember we are never far away from you because we are always in your heart. Once again, thank you, Ate Liz. Charlotte. I want to cry. Young women, why are you making me, you love me making me cry, huh? Okay, here, next. What a cute one. Cute letter. Walang pangalan kung kanino to, but I'll still read it. Ganda na sulat to. Hello po Ate Liz, nabalitaan ko po na alis na raw kayo. TNT. Pero ingat po kayo Ate Liz, mamimiss po namin kayo. Thank you po sa pagturo sa aming young women po sa Sunday class. Thank you po sa dedication mo na magturo po sa amin kahit minsan maingay po kami. Marami pa ako natutunan mula sa iyo po. You're one of the leaders po na nag-push po sa akin magbasa sa scriptures. Mag-ingat po kayo. Sana po mag-enjoy po kayo. Congratulations din po pala sa magiging marriage ninyo. Kanino galing to? Let me know. I think, di ko sure. Mukhang kay ano to. Mukhang kay Princess to. Here. Ate Kate. This is from you. Oy. Ay, shucks. Ang ganda ka naman dito, Ate Kate. Love it. Thank you. Oh, ganda-ganda. I love that. Here you go. Dear Ate Lizelle, thank you for being such a wonderful and amazing friend to me and everyone. The testimonies and the lessons you have taught and shared to us inspired me and has helped me tremendously. I admire you for being courageous and vigorous and persistent. Please do continue being the amazing person you already are. I'll miss you po and I wish you the best out there. Love your student and friend, Kate. Oh! So sweet. Here. Next, our lovely Ate Liz. Kanino to? Oh, kay Princess to. So, kanino galing to? This is from Princess. To our one and only Ate Liz. First of all, Ate, ang hindi po last char. Thank you for everything you have done for us. As our ate, magaling na teacher and one of our leaders. Before pa po mag-pandemic is nakakasama and kilala natin po kita. Mahaba din po pinagsamahan natin pero hindi po malalim. Hehe. For me, isa ka po sa the best teacher namin. Never po ako pinakitaan ng hindi magandang pakikito mo sa akin. Oh. Tuloy ko na yung pagbabasa. Okay. So ito, again, from Ate Kate. Ate Kate, thank you so much for this drawing, portrait. I love it. Thank you. So here. Dear Ate Liz, thank you for being such a wonderful and amazing friend to me and everyone. The testimonies and the lessons you have taught and shared to us inspires me and has helped me tremendously. Oh, I admire you for being courageous, integrous, and persistent. Please do continue being the amazing person you already are. I'll miss you po and I wish you the best out there. Love, your student friend, Kate. Ah, miss you all. Ito na yung last. Here. It says, if only this could last forever. Oh, kanina to. Oh. Ate Bea. Hello, Ate Lizelle. I just want to say po na thank you po for everything. Thank you for always being there for us, especially sa aming mga young women. Lagi ka po andyan sa tabi namin since primary until now na youth na kami. I thought po hanggang paglaki pa, pero hindi na po pala. The day has come na need mo na po pala kami iwan. I know na it's not the end po, but I hope na you won't forget us. Yung word na kinalakihan na po namin kasama ka growing up. I hope po na sana sa next word niyo po ay maging maganda and feels like home. Just the way you feel sa M1. If magkaroon man po kayo ng calling sa young women, I hope din niyo po kami malimutan. Also, hindi po namin malilimutan, especially me. We won't forget those advice po ninyo. We will always read the Book of Mormon and strengthen our testimony. Ate Les, kasama pa rin kita sa journey ko in life, even though sa malayo ka na rin po. Also, sa journey niyo po sa new life. I hope everything will be fine. Don't forget po our word. Once again, the first word of Anipolo steak. Kaya, well, sa new word, I'm still, hindi pa rin, wala pa rin ako masyadong fans. Usually, ang kausap ko lang is yung husband ko, and then, may neighbor kami na member, so, once in a while, nag-uusap kami, and then, today, actually, I was able to take care of her daughter. So soon we will have friends, and of course hindi ko kayo makakalimutan. I saw you from primary, kilala ko kayo since primary kayo, and then ngayon na nasa young women na kayo. Like, ang advice ko lang is to strengthen your testimony. Read the scriptures. If you feel like tinatamad kayo to go to church, still drag yourself to go to church. And I know that Heavenly Father loves you all, and He knows you, like, personally. I hope na pag-uwi ko dyan, I have this chance to see you all. Kasi, before I leave, I wasn't able to do so. Yung promise ko na I'll go out with you, I sobrang na busy na. So, I'm so sorry. And, yeah, I hope to see you again soon. Bye. Happy Sabbath.